Alex, thank you. Well, the United Way of Southwest Virginia is urging Governor Glenn Youngkin to release disaster relief funds for Hurley. The group sent a letter to the governor yesterday. In October, the Federal Emergency Management Agency denied a request for individual assistance to those impacted by the flooding, saying it, quote, was not of such severity and magnitude to warrant the designation of individual assistance, end quote. Yesterday, they denied an appeal of that decision. Now, in the letter to Governor Youngkin, United Way said, quote, to date, we have worked aggressively to raise more than $500,000 to help citizens of Hurley repair and rebuild. We ask that you direct your administration to immediately make available the Virginia Disaster Relief Fund, end quote. Now today, FEMA released a statement to News Channel 11 on its decision to deny the appeal for individual assistance. The agency said, quote, after thorough review of all the information contained in Virginia's initial request and appeal, FEMA reaffirmed its original findings that the impact to the individuals and households from the event was not of the severity and magnitude to warrant the designation of the Individual Assistance Program, end quote.